Do you think it's possible to invest in real estate without relying on personal income? This question might sound like a riddle, but there's a simple answer. It's not only possible, it's actually quite achievable. This is where we introduce the concept of a DSCR loan, a game changer in the world of real estate investment, and a tool that could potentially rewrite your financial future. Believe it or not, the secret to this seemingly impossible task lies in something called a DSCR loan. DSCR, or debt service coverage ratio, is a financial tool that could change your real estate investment game. Imagine a financial instrument that allows you to invest in real estate without considering your personal income. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what a DSCR loan does. It's a unique type of loan that shifts the focus from the investor's personal income to the income potential of the property itself. Let's delve a little deeper. The debt service coverage ratio, or DSCR, is a measure used by lenders to assess the cash flow of a property relative to its debt obligations. In simpler terms, it's a ratio that compares the property's income to its loan payments. If the DSCR is above 1, it means the property is generating enough income to cover its debt payments. Now you might be wondering, how does a DSCR loan work? Well, it's quite straightforward. When you apply for a DSCR loan, lenders will calculate the DSCR of the property you're interested in. They will consider the rental income it can generate, or in some cases, its potential rental income, and compare it to the projected loan payments. If the ratio is favorable, you could get approved for the loan, regardless of your personal income. This is a game changer for real estate investors. Traditional loans focus on the borrower's personal income and credit score. But with a DSCR loan, the property's income potential takes center stage. This opens up opportunities for those who might not have a high personal income, but have an eye for properties with great income potential. It's like saying, hey, it doesn't matter how much I earn personally, look at how much this property can earn. And that, dear listeners, is a paradigm shift in real estate investment. The DSCR loan is not just a financial tool, it's an opportunity, an open door to the world of real estate investment for those who dare to think differently. With a DSCR loan, the property's income potential becomes your key to investment, not your personal paycheck. Like any investment tool, DSCR loans come with their own set of benefits and risks. One of the key advantages of a DSCR loan is that it allows individuals to invest in real estate without relying on personal income. This is because lenders mainly consider the income generated by the property, not the borrower's personal income, when assessing loan eligibility. This unique characteristic can open up opportunities for individuals who have a knack for spotting lucrative real estate investments, but may not have a high personal income. With a DSCR loan, the focus shifts from the borrower's personal financial situation to the potential profitability of the property itself. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. There are also potential risks with DSCR loans. The most notable risk comes into play if the property doesn't generate enough income to cover the loan payments. This can lead to financial strain, as the lender will still expect regular repayments. Additionally, DSCR loans often come with higher interest rates compared to traditional loans, meaning the cost of borrowing could be higher. This makes it crucial to ensure that the property can generate sufficient income to not only cover the loan repayments, but also provide a return on investment. Weighing the benefits and risks of DSCR loans can help you make an informed decision about your real estate investment journey. Real estate investment without personal income may sound like a dream, but with DSCR loans, it can become a reality. Let's recap, shall we? The debt service coverage ratio, or DSCR loan, is a financial tool that allows you to invest in real estate based on the income generated by the property itself, not your personal income. This opens up a world of possibilities for real estate enthusiasts who may have previously been barred from the game due to income restrictions. Remember, the key to success with DSCR loans lies in a thorough understanding of the process, diligent research into potential properties, and careful financial planning. Like any investment, DSCR loans come with their own set of risks and benefits which must be weighed carefully. With the right knowledge and a calculated approach, DSCR loans could be your ticket to successful real estate investment, regardless of your personal income.